This is LeetCode question number 138. Copy list with a random pointer. This is the medium question. Let's get into it. A linked list is given such that each node contains an additional random pointer, which could point to any node in the list or null. Return a div copy of the list. Okay, let's check with the div copy. There are the two copy. One is the swallow copy and second is the div copy. So swallow copy is there are only one object with the two names, and div copy is two objects and each object has name. So div copy means that we needed to make additional object in the memory. And okay, the linked list is represented in the input output as a list of n node. Each node is represented as a pair of value and random index, where value is an integer representing node.var. Random index is index of node range from 0 to n-1, where random pointer point to or null if it does not point to any node. Okay, let's check with example 1. In this case, let's make the div copy. Okay, first we can use the iteration. The first step, 7, we be able to make the 7 dash. But at this time, there are no 13 dash. So in this case, we needed to pointing the 13. And then next, when to make the 13 dash, it also pointing 11, and 11 also say pointing 10, and 10 also point 10 dashes pointing 1, and then 1 is pointing 9. The problem is that 7 dash needed to pointing should be pointing 13 dash, but it pointing the original 13, so we needed to convert 13 to 13 dash. At this time, we can use map. If map key is the original node and then value is just copied the node, we can easy to convert it with the map structure. So we will use this one, but at that time if we use one, we needed to use the two iteration. First is to make the first step, and then second is convert the original node to new one for node next property and node random property. Can we make using only one iteration? Yeah, is possible. I will show you. Okay. Okay. First, I will make the map. As I mentioned, map. I will use the function of Python, and then I will make the tall to easy to readable. This is node object has value 0 because 0 is the no meaning. Any number is okay. Because we just use tall.next, not tall object itself. And then make the pointer and copy it, and then pointer pointing to head, and then copy it the pointing to tall. And then I will start iteration. If the until the current is not null. First I will make the next is node, none, initial is none, and random value also initial none. And if current in map, I will not make the new one. I will use it, and this time current, this time next is map, next is map current, otherwise I will make a new one. Next is node current value, and I will register it to the map. Map current is next. Does it make sense? Okay. Also, we will use random, also same as this. Current dump in map, and I will just use random is f current random. Otherwise, we needed to make new node current random value and register to map current random is random. All right, and then okay, we needed to one more edge case. Let's see. The random pointer is the not only in the list or null. If random pointer is the null, random current random is null, there are no values, so we needed to prevent one edge case. If current random is not none, at that time we create object. Otherwise, the random is just none. And then next to random is random, and copy the next is next, and we will move current to current next. Also same, copied, also copied next, and return total next, because we use from the total next. Okay, let's check. Okay, that looks good. Submit. Okay, good. Okay, let's check the complexity. Time complexity is the linear time, because it just used one iteration to copy, and while copying we also make all the used from the map. Yeah, so time complexity is the linear time, and then space complexity is we just copy the same as the original one, so space complexity also the linear space. Thank you.